name is Jacinta and I'm live again at Ambiance Phase 2. It's located in Oko Ado adjacent to the Sky Mall, and it has a title CofO. Look around you, you will see that we are working day and night to make sure that we deliver at the stipulated time that we told you we are going to deliver this project. And there are a lot of advantages of you owning Offplan properties. Now, when you look at this property, you will see how the foundation was done. You will see the quality of materials that is being used in building this house. So you have a knowledge of the kind of house that you're purchasing. In the Ambiance Phase 2, we have 3-bedroom terrace duplex, 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex, and 4-bedroom penthouse fully detached. All comes with a BQ. With a deposit of 5 billion naira, you can secure any of those units and spread it within 3 months, 6 months, or even 18 months. This is a fully serviced estate, so it's going to come with 24 hours power supply. We're also going to have 24 hours security. We're going to have swimming pool here, kids play area, recreational center, and many more. This is a property you shouldn't miss. For more details about this property, call 090-1259-4511. Let's help you secure a unit or more here at the Ambiance.